the Harveys, and we want to show you guys how to have an amazing summer here at Walt Disney World. We bring our kids here all the time, and there's a lot of tips and tricks that we've learned over the years that we want to share with you guys as well.
You guys have the big questions?
We've got the answers.
But we're gonna make it fun. We're gonna do a little Q&Play.
Okay, let's talk about it.
If it's your family's first time at Walt Disney World, there's probably some things you should know. I would say some of the best tips that I could give is you can set your expectations, but go with the flow. Remember, you're here to experience the magic, not experience everything. Figure out what your must-dos are and plan everything else around it. Our family's must-dos were definitely the princesses and the Dumbo ride.
This is literally our kids' favorite ride. Their favorite part is that they get to control Dumbo. How high it goes, how low it goes, they love it. We're going up!
We used the My Disney Experience app to figure out what the wait times were and where the princesses were gonna be at, and we just went with the flow for everything else. Which one do you like?
To get the most out of the attractions here at Walt Disney World, know the height of your kids. We have an 8-year-old, a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, so when we come to Walt Disney World, we make sure that we know what rides they can get on in advance. I just took Simi on his first roller coaster ride. How was it, bud?
Yeah.
It was good? Yeah. So this, hands down, is one of my favorite options that they give us here at Walt Disney World, which is the Lightning Lane Passes. And you can buy them in the My Disney Experience app. This lets you go through the lines at a fraction of the time, so you can get in and out and onto your next attraction.
And remember, if you don't want to pack that stroller, don't worry, Disney's got you with the rentals. And a fun little tip, add a balloon so you can find it in the park.
We bring our stroller everywhere, and you guys can too. And when you're here at Walt Disney World, make sure you enjoy the shows.
Let's rock and roll.
Our favorite is the Lion King show at Animal Kingdom. The kids love it every time. Enjoy the queues. Do whatever you can to keep your kids occupied during the process. We play games like I Spy, or we might even read a book, but whatever it takes to make those lines feel as short as possible. I love that there are attractions that the entire family can do, but don't forget to take advantage of the rider switch. We know that there's some rides that my oldest can get on that my youngest can't, so my wife and I, we make sure that we utilize the rider switch, so that way we can both still enjoy the ride.
I see it!
What does the lion say?
Listen, don't rush going ride to ride. Immerse yourself in the experience. Take it all in. So here at Walt Disney World, there's a plethora of activities during the summer for kids of all ages. And the best part about it is that there's little to no wait time. One of my favorites as a parent, and I'm sure it's gonna be a favorite for you too, is Communicore Hall. Dancing, games, it has a little bit of everything for your family to enjoy. So I'm all about it, and the kids are all about it as well.
Go,
Hey, here we go, hey!
There you go.
There's always something fun for the family to do. This year, it's a DJ dance party. We even got Goofy in the building. Another one of my favorites is Kid Cot at Epcot. It gives you an opportunity to travel around the world, learn about different countries, and my kids absolutely loved it. Set up, great setup, guys. You guys did a good job with that. Oh, look, there's two of them.
Another one.
So they have amazing opportunities for kids of all ages, like the Wilderness Explorer. Just gives them a lot of opportunity to learn information and just have a great time.
You want to earn your gorilla badge?
Perfect. Woo, awesome job. Disney has made it super easy for you and your kids of all ages to take breaks. One of the best ways to take a break is to stay at an on-property hotel where we can run back there, take a quick nap, maybe get some pool time, and then come back to the park later on. We love visiting the seas for that nice AC break to cool off and have fun in the shaded area. The Seas with Nemo and Friends is the perfect spot for that, especially for the little guys.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
One of the most magical places for parents is the Baby Care Center. Just in case you need to take a little breather or get a little break, they have an amazing setup here. They have changing pads, nursing rooms, all the baby essentials you need. It's wonderful. Disney has these really fun play places all around the park. This is one of our favorites. Jimmy's gotta get in the car, get in there.
Yeah, we get to relax while the kids get to enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
Well, we're probably having more fun than they are.
A must-do tip is to bring a refillable water bottle. There's stations all over the park where you can refill it. And then there's also a lot of splash pads for kids to cool down, misters for you guys to stay hydrated and cool all throughout the park. If you want to know what to pack for Disney, let's talk about it. We've got sunscreen, Band-Aids, wet wipes, we've got hand sanitizer, we've got the refillable water bottles, stations everywhere to fill it up. We've got the Mr. fan for me and the kids. Can't forget the mini Mickey ears for whenever they choose to wear them. And you never know the weather, so don't forget those ponchos, especially the Disney ones. We've got snacks on snacks. If you forget snacks, don't worry, bring your magic band so you can check out easily, snacks all around the park. And then we've got a change of clothes, and just in case they get wet, put them in a plastic bag, but don't forget those comfortable shoes. And that's why I like to bring a stroller, because it can carry all of that stuff. It can keep them shaded and cool throughout the day so we can have more fun.
Wow, good observation. What else do you see?
Let's talk Disney strollers. If you don't plan on packing your own, don't worry because Disney has plenty. At every Disney park, they have a stroller rental station where you can rent your strollers, and they have tons of stuff for anything that your family needs. We've got bubbles, we've got fans, we've got cooling pads. They've got everything.
Let's go higher. Make it big, Sydney, make it big.
Oh, look at them make the water bigger. Good job.
I got 3 kids of my own, so I understand the struggle of picky eaters. But the best part about that is Walt Disney World is designed specifically for those kids. For those who have dietary restrictions, have no fear. They have meals that are designed perfectly for you. And if you don't see what you're looking for here at the parks, you can ask the cast members who are located all around, and they'll be more than happy to help you. So here in Animal Kingdom, they actually have special snack stands just for your kids. If you're looking for the apples, fruits, corn, they have it here designed for your children to make sure they're getting the healthy foods that they need while they're enjoying the park. Simi, you gonna come too?
Can you say Banshee? Banshee? Mm-hmm.
Listen, Avatar is one of my favorite movies, so this gets me super excited. I have a family of 5, and I want to make sure I get on as many attractions as possible while I'm here. So what I recommend is to mobile order on the app when it comes to your meals. Save the time. When you get to the restaurant, you're in and out. Food's here, guys. I got the food. I got the food. I love that they have the quick service restaurant here for the kids, especially for the picky eaters. You know, we got our chicken tenders, mac and cheese, pretty much whatever the kids want. Let's talk about your in-dining experiences. This is also something that you can make a reservation with through the app. And this allows you guys to sit down, enjoy your time as family and friends, and get something of more of the high-end meals, if you will. They still have the food that your kids can enjoy, the chicken fingers, the mac and cheese, the pizza. It's still all there, but parents, I'm looking out for you guys. Get you something nice to eat.
It's always a good time to have a Mickey bar.
Depending on what park you're at, there's themed snacks everywhere, so make sure you guys get you some.
This is what I'm talking about.
Okay,
Trying
all
to
right.
get him into Star Wars.
The Falcon's pretty sick, man. What
They
up?
look serious.
That is not your concern.
Okay, wow. It's not my concern. Let's talk about character meet and greets and how you can give your family the best opportunity to engage with their favorite characters.
Oh my goodness, who is it? So nice to see you.
If your kids love every character like mine, choose the meet and greets that gives them the opportunity to meet multiple characters, like Mickey and Friends at Epcot, or the Princess Fairy Tale Hall. And if you have a favorite character, just use the app to find out where they are. Hey, but you never know. If you're roaming around the park, you might run into your favorite character as well. Hey, Kevin, say hi. Say hi, Kevin. Say hi, Kevin. Character dining is a great option. The app makes it super easy for you guys to make your reservation.
Oh my goodness. Hey, there
Oh, you gotta hop into it. All right, here we go. We love character dining. It gives us an opportunity to see multiple characters without even leaving our seat. And here's a little tip when it comes to meeting characters. If you have shy kids, the best opportunity to break the ice is with an autograph book. It's the perfect way to get the conversation flowing. There we go. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome.
Parents, enjoy the moment. There's PhotoPass photographers at every character location.
Bye.
And we hope you guys enjoy yourselves here at Walt Disney World. They have so much to offer, so just embrace it all, okay?
I love Disney.
You heard it. She loves Disney, and so do we. Take care, man. Thank you so much for watching. And listen, if you guys need more information, check out the description below. We hope to see you guys real soon.